Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Morning. Good morning. Welcome to the Sunday morning vibes. You see it? Start it off with the big man are doing groove. You think them little young boy you can dance like the big man? You don't know. You see me I say, yeah, I tell you age is a thing, yo. But here I go and I say big up and blessed Sunday. You know, the best of wishes. Hope you have a productive, a calm and nice, relaxing Sunday. Yes, I say another days to come too. You don't know what I talk about right now, and we want to give a word of prayer for the people and we have faced this hurricane named Hurricane Dorian right about now, because believe me, category 4, North Bahamas. This is my last. Almost sometime last night it approached towards Bahamas probably goodly. You know, it hit by now. You see me. And I tell you, just give a word of prayer, because really and truly this thing is not easy. It's a category 4 at that, you see it. I'm not sure if it'll hit Florida or if it'll go Carolina, but it predicts it might swing go to Carolina and things. So give a word of prayer. Now, I want to say big up to each and every single one of my viewers and subscribers. I want to say big up to you. You see what I say? I'm going to call some names, but I can't call everybody name really and truly, because it's like, you know, it's thousands, you know. However, I want to say a shout out to people like DeAndre, you see me, Nadine, Mayat, that is M-A with an apostrophe and then A-T, you see me, I don't go up so I get the pronunciation right, but I just want to give a shout out to you. I want to give a shout out to Sutherland, you see me, Vinny, Malana Black. How much forget Malana Black, you see me I say, and I want to give a shout out to Minty, you see, Valerie Hughes, Sharon P, Top Max, Bailey, you see me I say, DeAndre, a whole heap more viewers and subscribers out there. I want to say big up to you. You see me I say? I just want to show you say I really respect and appreciate the support I want to give a Dancehall for the time there I do the thing. You see me I say? I don't know, I gotta make sure I say I keep on doing what I do to make the thing happen, and you know, stay here so we do know my viewers and subscribers, and just make a thing go and grow. You see me I say? And with that, you know, so I will make a move right about now, and I say it again. A big up and a blessed and a productive Sunday. We wish you know the best, you know, from this Sunday, more and more, and you don't know the thing already straight down the line. Every day we want to have a blessed day, and you don't know the thing already. Alright, so until next time, you don't know so many name Dancehall Skilla, big up on yourself. You see it.